Hello again. I'm still way behind on videos. Figured I would try to make one on this amazing ukulele real quick. This is a loaner that's in here, sent by a friend from their amazing collection. This is a Pop's Pineapple Sundae. I believe this is a prototype when he was very first coming up with these. Amazing ukulele. Um, it has pine sides, uh, regular, like yellow pine is what it looks like. I don't know the exact type of pine, but these are definitely a pine sides. Has a spruce top and a spruce back on it. And I've never, seen a note with a spruce back on it. But when you play it, and especially if you don't choke it down, by squeezing it up too much, if you let it, float away and let that back help out with the soundboard. It really adds to the whole experience of the oud. Just has a really big sound to it. I of course have a pineapple Koaloha, and Pops of course is the founder of Koaloha. He's the way I understand it now, kind of semi-retired, and he makes his own ouds in his semi-retirement under the Pops or the UkeSA brand. I've seen these, and to be honest, I kind of wondered, if they gave up on the tone and stuff, to get the design. You know what I mean? If it was more just of a neat looking oud, but not that great on sound. But boy, it really does have amazing sound, amazing projection. It just really fills up a room. Just stunning. Let me let that back move. It's really lovely sound. I left the fretboard, really nice tone, rings out. Some of them, some ouds seem to get really plinky, especially on sopranos when you get way up the fretboard. But I really feel like this one's got a really nice tone to it still. Which, still really carries real nice. Still got some meat to it. Let's see here. Amazing little lute. Pops, I've seen these and these Pops ukuleles, and I've always been extremely curious about them. They really do, stand out in not just the looks, but also the tone. That pineapple is a good bit different. Now, I mean, you can still get a reminiscence of them. The Pops has still got, a bunch of spunk and everything like the pineapple does. But it's also just got a deepness to it, the pineapple probably doesn't either. Not doing any justice tonight, but maybe you get the idea anyways. Absolutely lovely tone. I just have. Amazing. Thank you for watching.